welcome back. If you're new here, feels so awkward. If you're new here, my name is Linnea. I live in the suburbs and I'm on a journey to be semi-self-sufficient while living in the suburbs. In the summers, we garden and we can. In the winters, we make recipes, especially out of sourdough. Lately, I have been on a sourdough journey, as some of you already know. But I did say that I was going to make more bread because I have a method I want to try. But we barely finished all the bread I made in my last video. So we don't need any more bread right now. Instead, we're going to make some sourdough discard lemon loaf. It's like banana bread, but it's lemon. So we're gonna get started on that. Yeah, if you're new here, welcome. If you are not new here, welcome back. If you have not, consider subscribing, liking the video, really helps me out. And yeah, let's get started making some lemon loaf with sourdough. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is take half a cup of oil. It says you can use oil or butter. I did not want to melt butter, so we're using oil. All right, and then we will add 2 eggs. Pardon my oven. 2 eggs, and then we're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And if you made it through my last video at all, and you were here for when I said that I started my running journey, my knee is doing so much better. My new shoes came, and they're really good. If anybody runs at all, I would consider Hoka shoes. They are actually good. I'm gonna mix this together. Anyway, yes, I'm on a sourdough journey, a garden journey, a running journey, all the heckin' journeys. All right, to a separate bowl, I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of flour. Let me make sure it's 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Yep, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And salt. How much salt? 1/2 teaspoon. Measure with our hand here. Mm-hmm. Okay, now we have the wet, we have the dry. It says to mix in like half of this, 1/3 of this, whatever. We're just gonna mix some in. Call it good. Now I think it says 3/4 of a cup of milk. I'll do that. Mix it, mix it. We're gonna add the other part of this. I have my sourdough starter here that has been in the fridge, so stirring it up. And I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of starter. this together, and then we're gonna add our lemon zest and our lemon juice. Okay, it's a tablespoon of each. This is a half lemon I have here inside this wrap. So I'm not gonna measure. Just gonna kind of guesstimate. I like lemony, so it doesn't matter. Guys, doing this lemon juice is a throwback to my cherry pie video. Since then, this person has been blocked. Here, hang on. Let me turn the camera up so you guys can actually see me tell this story. Okay, let me tell you the story while I put a tablespoon of lemon zest in here, okay? So my cherry pie video that I did back in November, I believe it was, the cherry pie recipe called for like a teaspoon of lemon juice, and someone, like, it's only been like 3 weeks ago maybe, someone commented on my video and they were like, you're gonna spend $6 a can on cherries and use fake lemon juice? And I replied back in the comments and I was like, yeah, it's my kitchen. I do what I want. Also, to be fair, I forgot there was lemon juice in that recipe and all I had was the fake lemon juice in the bottle. And this person was just like going on and on and on and on and on and on and on about how I used fake lemon juice in my cherry pie video. And then they proceeded to tell me that cinnamon and vanilla do not go in cherry pie, and that I should have added almond extract and red dye, I think. I don't know. Needless to say, that person has been blocked. I say blocked from my channel, but I'm pretty sure, like, the way YouTube does it, it's actually kind of funny. It's actually hide user from channel, so I hid them from my channel. And they can still watch my videos and they can still comment on my videos, but no one can see it. I can't see it. You guys can't see it. So they think they're getting the satisfaction of roasting me about my lemons, when in reality, they're just typing into the oblivion. So, joke's on them. Anyway, I thought I would tell that story because normally I don't really care what people have to say, like, in a bad way. Like, I don't care. But if you're gonna be stuck on the fact that I used $6 cherries and some fake lemon juice, like, this is my kitchen. You guys, I do what I want. You guys can do what you want. I don't care. I'm not stopping you. I was like, we're not getting like anything off this. Guess what? I'm not using fake zest. All right. It calls for a tablespoon of zest, but I feel like I've been zesting forever and nothing is happening. So, anyway, that's my story. I have zest on my fingers and all over this. Alright. My kitchen is a complete disaster right now. It's how it always is when I make videos. So, we're just gonna... I did put non-stick stuff in here, so... I think that's probably as full as I would like to fill this, because usually it rises pretty far and I'm not trying to like make it take forever. Maybe we'll put just a little bit more. Yeah. I'm going to show you guys my kitchen in a second, because I think you all need to see it. Normally when I cook, it is not like this. I'm gonna put this into the oven. It's preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm gonna cook it for 50 to 60 minutes. So I will be right back. Okay, I'm gonna show you all the disaster of my kitchen. Oh no, the camera's unscrewing. Oh no. Hold on. Hold on. No one wants to see this. There we go. There we go. This is the disaster of my kitchen right now. Like, I made some tea earlier and I have it just sitting over here. Also, if anyone likes cold tea, like iced tea, cold tea, whatever, I highly suggest one of these like steepware handles. Let me show you all real quick. My camera is going bonkers. So, hold on. Hold on. I'll cut all this out. Not that anyone freaking cares, but here we go. So, this just happens to be green tea bags, but you can also do this with loose leaf tea because it has the like mesh strainer. So you can just have a bunch of loose leaf tea. I don't know if it'll focus. Yeah, there you go. You can just have a bunch of loose leaf tea in here and it will filter it out when you pour it. So if anyone loves tea, like we do, I highly recommend it. This one's called Steepware. I'm sure there's tons of other people that make it, but it fits on your wide mouth mason jars, and this one's just the half gallon, but I'm assuming it fits on this guy, this little guy. This is a wide mouth pint jar. I don't know why I don't know, but it fits on it. So that's just a little fun thing if anyone likes tea for the millionth time. Yeah, so this is my kitchen. This is the disaster of it. It's like stuff everywhere. Okay. So I'll see you guys in like an hour. I'm gonna go clean all this up. Bye. All right. So that's powdered sugar. There it is. I cooked it for about an hour. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that outside. I'll be really quiet, and maybe you can. They're really close. We live really close to the St. Louis airport, otherwise known as Lambert. And this is where Boeing tests a lot of their fighter jets. Jonathan would tell you exactly which ones. I cannot tell you exactly which ones, but very frequently they test fighter jets here because they fly out of this airport, and we live really close to the airport, so we get like air shows weekly, to the point where like Calvin was 100% used to like fighter jet noises when he was a puppy and would sleep through it. So that's that. Anyway, I have like about a half cup of powdered sugar in here, roughly, because it all just kind of came out. And I'm going to add lemon juice. It says 2 teaspoons, I believe, but I'm just going to add enough lemon juice where it all mixes together. Sorry, I'm getting the seeds. So, like I said about the bread, it cooked for about an hour, and then it says to take it out and then let it cool for about 10 minutes. And then we're gonna pour this icing on while it's warm. Okay, I'm gonna mix this together, and if I need more lemon juice, I have some. It's looking pretty good though. Yep. So I will link this recipe down below. But the ratio is a 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, or you can wing it. It does call for zest, but like you all saw earlier, I was not having the zest. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give this like 5 minutes to like let it soak in, and then we'll be back and take it out of the pan, which I may or may not show you because that'll probably be embarrassing. So, yeah. Jonathan specifically said to record him cutting it.
No, I said you could. It's be a disaster trying to get it out. Well, actually, it seems like it.
I mean, I like Calvin's nose.
No, I think
I
it actually
greased it, but someone's doing some things outside.
It actually came out really well.
There's sourdough in it.
Yeah, this is all sourdough all the time.
My journey.
I cut out a fork. I'm just gonna use my hand.
Yeah, well.
It's really lemony.
I put more lemon than it said. Because I like lemon. Is it too lemony?
Your dad would hate it.
Yeah, my dad doesn't like lemon. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Here's milk.
Well, we have milk!
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you rate it? Out of 10. You're really thinking hard.
Like 9?
0.3.
Yeah,
I don't know. Anyway, I don't know.
I'll say I like it because I keep eating it.
Yeah,
so.
he ate the whole piece almost. Calvin wishes. Anyway, you know, my next video will be something. It'll be something. Then my mom will be here. And we all know she wants to be in the videos. Because that's who she is. So, anyway. What?
We've had something lemony like this. Like, something from Trader Joe's, I think. Alright.
Probably... Oh, there was that lemon cake that I got from Trader Joe's like last year or something.
Or you made something else lemon with like a glaze like this.
Maybe. I should have put poppy seeds in it. It would have been good.
You make something for like Thanksgiving?
Did I? No.
I don't know.
I don't
Just
know.
remember a glaze like this you've done.
The scones. The orange scones.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, Jonathan just had a moment.
That's what it reminds me of.
Ooh, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I'll do those
Especially
orange,
the top.
those cranberry orange scones. Maybe I'll do that for a video sometime.
Yeah. The top, that like nice crunchy glazed.
You look nice right now in the camera.
That's good.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna stop rambling and go do some more stuff around here, and yeah, see you in the next video, and then maybe after that you'll see my mom. Okay, bye!